Hello everyone, welcome to another latest update of Gummy Coin guys. Before starting this video, I recommend my free signal group to all of you. If you are interested to join my free telegram group guys, so join now. Link is in description guys. You can see here, these are the live profits of my telegram group guys. So if you want to get this type of free signal, join my telegram group. Link is in description guys. Gummy Coin guys, a new listed coin, and you can see here now a trending 23% gains in last 24 hours. 0.099 cent is the current market price of Gummy coin guys. You can see here now now the price is dumping guys. You can see here from this level, it's the highest price level. Now the price is dumping guys. So a lot of people message me to make a prediction for Gummy coin, but as a result we can see here 75% gains in last 24 hours. I also give you a signal for buying Gummy coin on my telegram group guys. So it's pretty bullish guys. Looking at, obviously you can see here 75% trading volume increase in last 24 hours. So as a result we can see a pump in a Gummy coin guys. So I recommend to hold for a long time period guys. By the way guys, if you want to trade with me, if you want to get daily free signals, so join my telegram group. Link is in description guys. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.